Imagine harnessing the untapped potential of your existing team for market research. By leveraging their deep procurement knowledge, you can save costs and foster professional growth. But how do you balance their regular duties with new responsibilities? Balancing regular duties with research can be challenging, impacting quality and timeliness. Yet this approach promotes skill diversification and growth. Discover how this dual role can transform your team's capabilities and drive efficiency. A dedicated research division offers focused analysis and expert insights. Specialization leads to advanced methodologies and domain-specific knowledge. But are the initial setup costs and ongoing expenses worth the investment? Ensuring alignment between the research division and other departments is crucial. Effective communication ensures findings are practical and applicable. Explore how this synergy can enhance your organization's strategic objectives. Cross-functional teams bring diverse expertise, fostering innovative solutions. By integrating varied perspectives, they enhance research quality. However, coordination challenges may arise. How can you ensure seamless collaboration? This approach improves interdepartmental cooperation and performance. By understanding each other's roles, teams can work more effectively. Discover how this integration can lead to comprehensive market analysis and innovative solutions.